Hello friends, how are you? So welcome back to my YouTube channel PC and Windows with another interesting and new video of PC settings. So in this new video we are going to discuss a very important and interesting topic about PC settings. So in this video we will discuss that how can you restore previous working state. So sometimes your device will slow down after installation a new system update. So device driver or application. If you can't determine why the computer is slow, you can undo any change by restoring the previous working state using a system restore point. So to apply a restore point to fix performance issues on Windows 10, use these steps. First of all, open start. So here is the start button, and then search for create a restore point. So create a restore point and click the top result to open the system properties app. So just click on it and click the system protection tab. So for the system protection tab, just open it. As you open the system protection tab, click the system restore button. So here is the system restore button. Open system restore. It is not showing this one because I have do not any problems or changes in my device, but it's just for you. So after opening system restore, just click the next button. Select the most recent restore point to resolve the performance issues. Select restore point. Click the scan for affected program buttons to identify the apps that be removed if they were installed after the restore point was created. Click the close button, click the next button, and then click the finish button. Once you complete these steps, the computer will roll back to a previous state, bringing back when performance was not an issue. So system restore is not enabled by default. This means you must set it before you can revert system changes. As I have not done this, that's why it is not showing anything here. Hope so you have understand. If this video helped you a little, just like the video and share it with your friends. If you have any question regarding this video or about any other video on my channel, just comment me down. I will surely reply your comments. Thanks for watching this video.